Muscle spindle. Muscle spindles are proprioceptors that consists of intrafusal muscle fibers enclosed in a sheath or spindle. They act as receptors that provide information on muscle length and the rate of change in muscle length. The spindles are stretched when the muscle lengthens. This stretch causes the sensory neuron in the spindle to transmit an impulse to the spinal cord. This causes activation of motor neurons that innervate the muscle. The muscle spindle determines the amount of contraction necessary to overcome a given resistance. When the resistance increases, the muscle is stretched further, and this causes spindle fibers to activate a greater muscle contraction. Muscle fatigue. Sports performance is determined by many factors but is ultimately limited by the development of fatigue, such that the athletes with the greatest fatigue resistance often succeed. Muscle fatigue is the decline in the ability of muscles to generate force. Some fatigue may be caused by interference with different stages of muscle contraction. These can be of two types. One, the limitation of a nerve's ability to generate a sustained signal, neuronal fatigue, and two, the reduced ability of a muscle fiber to contract, metabolic fatigue. This is hypothesized to be caused by two main factors. Firstly, when the muscle runs out of energy with a shortage of ATP or fuel in the muscles. Second, accumulation of metabolic waste products like inorganic phosphates or lactic acid. As they accumulate, these waste products affect the release of ions which is required for the triggering of contraction.